perception about the online internet marketing, and is he willing to believe it or not? This is my topic. The objective of my research paper is to study. This study seeks to understand customers' perception towards advertising in the online shopping and social networking websites. As you already know, every one of us has an account on Facebook, Twitter. Yes or not? Yes. So what can we do? Do we say see banners over there? Some online advertisements over there? Yes or no? Yes. So that's all about online advertising, that what are the ads, and does the customer, who is the customer, the person who has an account on the Facebook, he is a kind of customer. Yes, if today Coutons places an ad, ek shirt pe 3 shirtein muft, so you tend to see it, and once you are like that you want to buy a shirt, and you are like I'm getting one shirt, I'm getting 4 shirts for a cost of 1 shirt, so you tend to purchase it. Where do you come to know from? Either from the newspapers, or from the television, or from the online advertisements. Yes, so today we are so much technically savvy that all the time 24/7 we are there on Facebook, on Twitter. So what is the best option of advertising today, which the advertisers think is online advertising? Today, from 2010 to 2013, around 40% increase has been seen by the advertisers in increasing the spendings on the advertisement on online advertising rather than newspapers, radio or televisions. Okay. The methodology used in my paper was secondary data, which was taken up from many publications, from many IAB reports and other newspapers. So mind you, it's not the primary data. Okay, so what was the result? There was a questionnaire being filled up by the customers. Okay, and it was regarding that what do you perceive about the ads which you see on the online, as in on the Facebook, on Twitter, or on any website. If you take up the website of RDICE also, then also I can say that you might be having some advertisements over here or on the top, bottom, or somewhere on the corner, because you are being paid for it. What does an advertiser do? An advertiser pays the website for the advertisements he has placed on the website. Okay, so when we compare it with the traditional ways of advertising, what we can say is people who have lost interest in traditional ways of advertising. It is clear from the graph which we can see is that only 59.5% of people find these traditional advertisements less effective. So today around 60% of the people find that online advertising is much better because it's very much spontaneous and readily available. Secondly, what we can say is internet advertising is more effective for approximately, as we can see, 59 was there, 62 is here. The same set of customers who said that traditional advertising is not good for them because 90% of the time they are not in front of the TV, not reading the newspapers. Even I also can say 50 to 60% of the people over here would not be reading the newspaper, right? Amongst the students, we are faculties, we read it daily. Yes. So what do? They prefer internet advertising. 62.7% of the people who participated in this survey, they prefer internet advertising. What they see on the internet, they tend to search about it. They tend to look at the stock levels on the same. They tend to look the color instantly. They tend to look the sizes instantly, and whatever particulars they can search, they search it from n number of quantity available at the website of the supplier, and you tend to purchase it thereon instantly. And today we also have online payment systems, so there is no need of COD. What is COD? Cash on delivery. So you pay it there and then, and within 3 days or 4 days, just like Myntra, like Jabong, you pay it, and the next day it gets delivered at your home or at your office. Okay. So what we can conclude from this is, firstly, people highly believe in the internet. Yes, If I tell you to search something about, RDAS, what will you do? Definitely. What's Google? Internet. So do you trust Google or not? Yes, so it is. People highly believe in internet. Once you have got an once you would have got an opportunity to get MBA from RDAS, you must have definitely Googled about RDAS. Yes or not? What are the positive things about RDAS? What are the negative things about RDAS? Because I can see only positive things about RDAS. Okay, so next thing is people believe that advertisements on the internet are more reliable as compared to other mediums. Once something comes on the newspaper, today you have an ad on coupons. What you can say is, if you go in the evening, what they say is, sir, stocks बहुत limited थे, stock खत्म हो गया. But on once you check it from the online site, you can definitely see there are 2 stocks remaining. If you purchase it at the spot, you can definitely get it. Yes, once you open the IRCTC website, what is IRCTC website? Railways. Yes, you can see there how many tickets are available from this destination to that destination. Yes, so therein you can book it at the same point of time by paying online. So it is very much reliable. Online advertising is more effective than traditional advertising, as we have already seen that traditional advertising, it's 60% of the people are like that they don't trust it, and 62% of the people are like that they trust online advertising to a greater extent. Thank you.
Any question, please? Please.
Not an issue, sir.
You have conducted your research on the basis of secondary data.
Yes, sir.
And your results are showing primary data.
No, sir. Actually, what is
survey and
no, it's directly taken up from there. These drafts are directly taken up from there. In my research paper, it's written specifically that it has been taken from the secondary data, the source, the bibliography, everything has been given, and these graphs have been taken directly from there. It's not made by me.
Who are the respondent?
So the respondents were the customers who use internet very often. Who use internet very often.
How you came to know about the respondent?
So it was written over there. It was written over there.
Written over there means?
At the in the journal from which I have picked up the data.
In which year this research has been conducted?
Ma'am, it was last year itself, 2013. 2013. It
So
was
basically,
towards the end.
basically you are discussing a paper written by someone.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Because it's my first paper, so I would like to.
I mean, he has been able to make a point that online advertisement is very important and playing a very effective role in today's scenario. I think this is the lesson. And you all agree to that?
Definitely, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much. The third paper is by